So this is master PCB, this is slave PCB, and this is 8-pin FRC cable. This is a red wire at one side, this red wire will be connected to the pin one side like this. And the straight, this red wire will connect it like this. Now this is 12-volt AC input, relay output, and this is CT connection. CT must be 60/5 in turns ratio. Overvolt preset, undervolt preset, and overload preset. This is buzzer. Power on LED, delay on LED, relay on LED, overvolt LED, undervolt LED, overload LED, and reset switch. Now this jumper wire, we will connect this jumper wire at first pair of pin for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. We will connect it for 5 seconds. So we will connect here. Now we will do the connections. This is AC power supply. First we connect the 12-volt supply. AC connections. We will use this LED with 4.7k ohm resistors at the relay terminal to check the supply of relay. Now we will connect the multimeter probe at the AC input to check the voltage of incoming AC. Right now we are getting to 14 volt. Now we will give the supply to the module. Power on LED on with delay on LED. Just check the LEDs. Power on and delay on. After 5 seconds the relay on LED will on and the relay is getting on. Now let's check the working of the module. Right now I have only 214 volt maximum, so we cannot check the overvolt at 214 volt in maximum. So we will take 197 one step before as a reference voltage. That is the demanded voltage. Now we will set the overvolt undervolt with the reference of 197 voltage. Let's check the over voltage first. rotate this anti-clockwise to set the over voltage until the overvolt LED start. Now to set the over voltage, increase the voltage by rotating clockwise. The over voltage has been set at 197. If we increase the voltage from 197, the module will trip. Let's check the multimeter. Now 214 voltage and the relay has been tripped and overvolt LED is glowing. Now we will increase the voltage to set it the standard voltage 240 voltage output. We will increase. The overvolt fault has been gone and over voltage cutoff has been set. Now we will set the under voltage. To set the under voltage, first we will have to rotate it clockwise to check the cutoff. That is under voltage cutoff. Relay has been tripped. Now we will set the under voltage by rotating it anti-clockwise. Now under voltage has been set. At 200 voltage it tripped. So at 217 it is set. If we reduce the voltage, it tripping. And when 215 to 17 voltage has been recovered, the module will automatically reset and the relay will be on after 5 seconds. We don't have CT and 40 ampere load right now, so we will check overload trip by sending the 9 volt direct to the sensor of overload and check the overload trip, how overload trip is behaving. Now this is overload trip and this will not go until you press the reset button. So when we press the reset button, after 5 seconds the relay will on. So this is the working of this module. Now we will check. Right now the relay is on and approximately 12 volt must be present at this point so that our relay is on. So we will check the voltage at this point. To check the DC voltage at this point, we will set DC 200 or DC 20 volt. We will check the voltage at this point. It is 16 volt. 16 volt is perfect to operate the 12 volt relay, because in DC systems when load is connected the voltage drops, so it is actually 12 volt.